You know, just look on my body touching and you just dress man, just dress man, just dress man. Please, please. Yo, me have one murder of Highgate right now. One youth, can't on this side, run through scheme.
Me know who, I don't call the father. Did you see me when me
No, just dress man, please.
Yes, my listeners and my subscribers, good morning, good evening, good night. So in today's video, a man get unalive, as you can see in the first video, and we have some truck accident with another man lose him life. So I want to stay tuned for them there, because I have some raw footage for sure. So I want to like, comment, share, make me know what you think in the comment section.
Yeah, when we are telling us to take time. Go on, you don't want to see this. Everything, yeah. Cat man. Watch out.
They go catch him. Watch out.
Lord, then hold him. Pick up them hold him. Lord,
Watch out.
then hold him.
Boy, we just kind of still a push. You see, still a push him, blood.
Oh God.
Watch out.
Oh
He's
God.
on the highway now, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. You gonna block him,
Watch out.
Oh God.
Lord, he's tired. He can't go further.
Alright, watch it again. Oh Jesus Christ. Watch out, taxi man. The one have to eagle them, right? And the one have to taxi them. Jesus Christ. Andrew Holness, help! Jamaica my shop. Who don't see the Jamaica my shop. Help me! Jamaica my shop.
Government 2 vehicle. None of them can go through toll, big batty boy Andrew Holness. See? Okay, if you carry a blood clot wife out of the skin out of pussy, make them blood clot drive through your chichi bus and your ambulance. Make everything run in peace out there. I'm not saying you have to be blood clot government and trying to come build a road near your place. And for your vehicle you can drive through in peace. And say you're blood clot idiot.
So my listeners and my subscribers, I want to take in the video carefully. So me I say, as I tell you about the dash cam. You see me? A man I capture an accident. So I want to watch it. Right, that's how it gonna happen. So look. Man turn up on taxi man, you see it? So who no think wrong? Right there, so if the taxi man wrong or the truck man wrong. As I always tell you now, I'm not gonna stop telling you now. For the nana dash cam, get one phone in the car. And always look out on the iPhone in judgment them on the road. You see me? Use up on the rear view mirror. Use up on the indicator. Look out on the eye. So you don't know, I always make you know the safety check same way on the road accident when it come on to them thing there. So safe travel on the road. You see me? You don't know a weekend now. So if you not go party or you not go on the road, you know just safe travel. Whether with no heavy drinking and drive. Understand? So I'm gonna just jump in and race a video them couldn't see what going on in Jamaica.
The fair they get muddy right now. And I call it that get you close, get tree.
Gas jump bus up. Yeah?
Look like all over the saga free up. You're the fire they get muddy right now, you. Yo, all over the saga right.
We're hungry, we are waiting too long now. We're tired, we're restless. A breaking point to the right now. Right now, a chain and padlock we want to put on the gate. Right now. No pay, no work. No work, no exam. No pay, no exam. At that we not stop until September. Every day we are got there out here. We want with money. Every day. The last time in April them say in a May. May it got a June. Now a July. Nothing we not hear. What? We need to hear something. We not hear nothing. Nobody not comfort. Nothing substantial. Nothing at all. We need answers. We need money. Everything raised. See gas price is sky high. Not even bike man they can't buy gas. Right? We need money. Food raised, everything raised. We need money. Money we want and we not stop until we get money.
The man then give me. We are going on the road. So the man then give me this morning. This man then give me my peeps. Oh, me have to pay all of them. I'll look again too. I know I see blood fleet money in fire. 20,000, 15,000, 10,000, 6,000, 5,000. Look. 2,500. 6,000, 5,000, 20,000, 15,000, 10,000. I tell you.
Yeah, Jamaica. Yeah, whole world want to know how Jamaica people then so strong. One down we a cookie have tried, brother, with the shit, everything in it. So when this done cook, you better make sure say you too much chunk. If you too much chunk, you can't eat none enough. Yeah, man. One down have tried with shit and everything in it. A blood clot, Jamaican lifestyle. All them.
I've been seeing this news going around with this Rasta, or this so-called Rasta, this dready, muggling with a AK-47 across him chest. And I mentioned Andrew Holness name, say him tired of Andrew Holness. Which signify as a threat. Now, our news media came in and identified this person. And I'm going to give you all the details about him. This brother I want to see above me here, named Jamila. You see, it's alleged that he also own a bar right near Port Maria Courthouse. He live over in the island, I think Antigua, for a period of time. But he was involved in a bank robbery over Antigua, got deported, but somehow managed to sneak back out of Jamaica. You see? Now, the video I want to see him do, he didn't do it from Jamaica unless it was an old video. However, don't take this brother as simple in name Jamila. I one of them PNP, radical extremists, otherwise called sleeper cell. Jamila, the police then know you. If you're in a Jamaica, or if you are smuggled in Jamaica upon boat via night time, then gonna catch you. And anywhere in a foreign you there, then still gonna catch you. Right now, you get famous. Just learn that. You didn't want to get famous, see you get famous, the Jamila.
So, me did tell you, say, I go do a follow up, any local more thing come out, on that mania, where they go viral in a video. So, you can hear what the rest of man say. It's what I say, dog is a whole ex-convict. And bagga sitting. So, I want to tell me what I think about what Rasta say about this Rasta man. See him here in the comment section. Is what I say.
So I know enough people probably I wonder why so much JLP come out and I tell lie about this particular situation when it comes to the deportees, them, I'm gonna break down the reason to you. Now, imagine somebody call you and tell us, say, yo, I want you to raise some foul for me. And for raise the foul, them, it depends on how much I take me. I give you 1.5 million US per foul. See? Watch how greedy Andrew Holness is. See? So, them agree. If somebody I give you 1.5 million US per foul, and you decide to take 10,000 foul, now you ask yourself this question: would you make some people try to talk you out of not taking the 10,000 foul? You know how much money that? When them do that, much, there's nothing that Jamaican people can say right now. Fee them not get that money there, you see me? Remember, you know, some country take 25, some take 300, some take 250. Andrew Holness take all at 10,000. I richest man I say, you know, this man want all the money in the world, and that is why so much of the labor right them I come out and I give you so much story about this deportee business, because them know say a whole heap of money they on the table feed.
What would life be like without Dr. Andrew Holness led administration in Jamaica? Yeah, that's a question I really want to ask. I really want the answer. So if you don't know the answer, I put it in the comment section. What would life really and truly be like? It's a serious question that, you know. And if you really think about it, because I want to hard me to tell people, because there's so much things to say. So much things to say that you want to start off and get carried away. But here my opinion. I feel it's a life without Andrew-led administration right now. Crime would be out of control. That's the first thing. I feel say when money wouldn't have no value. I feel say we'd have to spend like 2,000 Jamaican dollars to buy $1 US. That's what I feel say would end there right now. I feel say we would not have so much investment. And if we do have any investment to come in our country, I feel say they wouldn't try to take more disadvantage of us. You understand? Because remember when Porsche-led administration went in power, look on when the Chinese then come to give you the road, look on the, $1 billion US, they can make back their money. But because we never in the position where we in now, them could ask and demand more. And Miss P, Sister P never have no choice based on how things it go. So, yeah, I feel say when a man get catch for a firearm back in the days, and he might get in 5 years and 10 years when he take a life and all them things there. Yeah, since Andrew-led administration come in, I see our crime drop. That is the most significant thing we can talk about. But have life changed for poor people? That's our next question. But then say yes or no. Yes, in our way, I feel say they're worse, because remember, you know, we're going on the global market, we're going in the global, in the world right now, in the Middle East, and we're going in Europe with the war, see? And with what Trump are going with, they try to destroy this and they try to take control, where they put pressure for every nation across the world, not only Jamaica. I think if Andrew-led administration wasn't in power, I think it would have been worse. You can't play nice, you can't play too bad like you're a bad man. Because if you play like you're a bad man, there's a time and place for everything. I'm not thinking this is the time now when if you hop and puff and go on like with your antics. You see what I say? You see how my, sorry, you see how my lady there for Bahamas or Barbados, you know, she said, oh, she kind of take a seat right now because I walk on. There's a time and place for everything. And I think, sir, life without Andrew-led administration right now in Jamaica would end up on a path of destruction.
I have never seen a government gaslight its people like this one. And I can use 3 very current examples to prove my point. This deportation deal with the United States that we're not allowed to ask any questions about. Since this information came out, they have been gaslighting us about everything, every question we ask. They laugh in our face and act like we're stupid. And the Prime Minister went so far as to say that we are ridiculous for asking questions. This man is so disrespectful. It's like he believes that respect only works one way. You cannot talk to the people like that. You cannot tell the people of Jamaica who elected you that they are ridiculous for asking questions. This is the behavior of a tyrant, and I don't know how Jamaican people are not concerned. The second situation is Andrew Wheatley. This is the second time this man named called Panteef in money, you know. It's the second time. The Integrity Action has even called for this man to be charged. And his response is that he is going to seek legal action because this is defamation. Sir, what you need to do is to provide the information that was requested. It's that simple. If you are not a thief, show and prove. Give us clarity. Make we see. It's simple. The third issue of gaslighting is Bobby Montague coming to tell the people that they need to move off of crowdlands. Now, if Jamaica is to become a republic and we are taking back our sovereignty from the monarchy, that should include land, right? And how are you going to decide? Who are you to decide that those lands are government lands without consulting us? We don't have a conversation about what happens to the land after that. It just automatically become government land, and then next thing you know, gonna sell them off and pocket the money, and the Jamaican people don't benefit from it. Jamaican people, this is why it is so important, and we have not heard since this new government, we have not heard anything about the Constitutional Reform Council. I don't know what they did with Marlene Malahoo Fort, but we haven't heard anything. And it is important that the Jamaican people are a part of the process of constitutional reform, because land reform is also included in that. And what they decide to do with these crown lands, they should not be deciding what to do with them without the people of Jamaica, because the land belongs to the people. Don't make them gaslight. You have power, you have right, and your power and right is not only in your vote. And I don't know about Uneno, but the situation in Western Jamaica is still very current to me, right? Because the Nara bill passed, which I don't know why it had to take so long, and even in that process there was so much gaslighting that took place with us asking questions about this bill, right? The bill done pass already. The people them still not getting no help down there. What is going on there? We can't ask no questions, right? Because we must just allow them to do what they, while people are suffering. These people collected so much donations and have been sitting on the money. We are yet to see what type of progress they're making, and we can't ask for a progress report. We cannot ask where are you in the process. When it comes to transparency, this government don't know nothing about that.
And just say, you know, in Jamaica are showing a certain light with people are scavenge for food, and people are come help with care package and all these things. One thing I have to tell you about a real authentic Jamaican, Mr. Holness. We no keep secret for people. We no keep secret for people. The other day, I go to Black River. And when I drive through the town and pull up, right on the waterfront there, so and step out of my car. And just the image, me have to light up a crane. And you see, by the time I light the crane, is a man me see just come out of the rubbles in our old building. I say, yo, brown man, beg you one of them there. I'm say forward. If you see the man run, come out as a lead down, the man in there, lead down, you know. You see what take place down at Western Jamaica? The people them can get up and pick up the pieces. And to be totally frank with you know, I was shocked if you go down there and see right now down there so should have full of construction equipment workers for all, but the whole of them Chinese that we are come to Jamaica come make billions off of we free society a build road in our country. Though it is going to be ours, me not talk about down the line. The whole of the equipment that we are cut out mountains for build toll road for no collect should have the down a Black River. Me go a Black River, not even one sign of aid. Not even one sign of assistance. Mr. Holness, real authentic Jamaicans no keep secret for people. And this is not about keeping up with appearances. The amount of aid, me I hear news the other day say none of the aid money no start spend yet. When me circle Black River, I go through Santa Cruz and all of them place, them me see people on the front with water buckler, wave down vehicle, little water they want. And what kind of secret they want the people them to keep for no Mr. Holness? Big man thing. Me no political and me no go down the road there. But uno linger. And as in the words of Terry Linen, this is no time to linger. Me go down there go me. The people them cannot pick up the pieces and move on without assistance. So why take so long? Instead of you putting out the necessary and requisite help that is needed, forget the situation currently. I can tell if you keep secret for you, Mr. Holness. Big man thing. Big man thing. Come on, man. Come on, man. Why take the progress so long? The whole of the equipment they want to have a chop through mountains so you can collect toll from the Jamaican people to drive across their own country. Them they should have there Black River. Them they should have there Westmoreland. Them they should up a Maroon Town, Namibia. What are you going with?
The deportee that are coming to Jamaica, that you are welcoming them here, they are rapists, murderers, and you're carrying them to Jamaica. Oh, we're going to survive with them here under these circumstances that's going on in Jamaica. We are trying to put under control. How we going to manage those with them? We want to know exactly if they are victims or whatsoever.
So who tell you that now?
I hear it on the social media, and I saw Mr. Golin demonstrating yesterday in Goal, saying that you are inviting convicted people in Jamaica.
And you believe that?
I don't believe it, but that is why I asked you.
Good.
If I did believe, I would run with it.
All right.
That is why I'm asking you.
There are two lessons here. One, don't believe everything you hear.
Yeah.
And I am so proud of you because you hear something, you don't take it as truth.
Yeah.
You go and seek further information to verify.
Yes, sir.
And that is called media literacy.
Yes, sir.
Right? Because not everything, and especially on social media,
yes, sir,
I would say about 80% of the things you see on social media are not fully accurate.
Yes,
all right? And so it is good that you felt the need to ask.
Yes,
all right.
sir.
Second issue is that it is not true.
Okay, sir.
The government of Jamaica has signed a memorandum of understanding with the government of the United States. It is not yet operationalized, meaning that though we have an agreement, no one has been brought to Jamaica under that agreement because we have not worked out as yet the terms on which they would come. What we have worked out with them is that we're not taking no murderer, we're not taking no rapist, we're not taking no pedophile, no one with a criminal background will be taken on that MOU. And I want to assure you of that.
Yes, sir.
And I want to then now take you to another analysis of the situation as a Jamaican.
Yes, sir.
You remember when they were seeking to increase the number of Jamaicans who were being deported here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And you realize how strongly I sent a message to the persons who are coming back. That when you come back to Jamaica, nobody come here.
Yes, sir. Yes,
with no badness. Nobody feel like it's the same Jamaica that you left 10 years ago. When you come back here, different business.
Yes, sir.
And I was very strong on that.
Yes, sir.
Then you think, say, no, me would have got take foreign criminal come here.
That is why.
Yeah, some of the things them me don't know.
That is why I try to think, right? That is why I try to get to you to find out the real fact.
Yeah, so watch me now. Me work hard, you know. The police them work hard. to bring the situation under control.
Yes.
And by the way, to be frank, the Americans never even approach us with that. If you listen to the new ambassador, the new American ambassador who is coming to Jamaica, when she was being reviewed and interviewed in their Congress, you know what she said? She said the Jamaican government has done so well to reduce crime. Then how would they now come to ask us to take murderers and criminals? No, foolishness. And we would never accept that.
Yes, sir.
So the people who are likely to come are persons who are vetted, and we are insisting that whoever it is that will come, and they are not deportees in the strictest sense of the word as how we understand it. They are coming here to transit back to their home country.
Okay.
That's it. So they're not expected to stay here for any long period of time. It is a mere transit period. The Minister of Foreign Affairs, the Minister of National Security, the Minister of Information, they will give you more information as they have completed negotiations. But I want to give you the assurance. Don't follow foolishness.
Okay, sir.
Absolutely nothing like that.
Okay, sir.
Absolutely nothing like that. All right? And
sir.
nobody has come to Jamaica under the agreement so far. All right? Because the agreement has not been operationalized. We don't work out the terms, where they're going to stay, and all of those things. Those things not worked out yet. We are in negotiations with them, but it's not worked out yet.
Okay.
All right? So rest assured.
Thanks, man.
All right? Me can't work so hard to bring the crime rate down. To go big up.
No,
sometimes we must think.
Yeah.
All right?
Yes, sir.
All right, go.
Okay.
So Andrew Holness, I said them no work out things yet. Them still in a negotiation. You see me I say? And at the end of the day, you must say them not find somewhere yet for put them. Me feel like say I show the people them did come leak out pan it what yeah. Make it kinda dip and pause ya now. You understand me I say? Because it did come in the media say Deportee go get shipped to Jamaica and buy 2 tours. If the people them never leak out, Deportee them with a there. Cause look like a quick process thing and Holness thing depan. You see me like him well did want take the money and make them come here hard. Him take the money and through the people them a leak out, them a try come with another plan. You see me, I don't know where that woman a come and say, cause she sound boomy in her voice, she look boomy. Yes, that's Andrew Holness go on a pat on the shoulder. That's all me see him do, you all on a pat on the shoulder and say yes. You see me I say, so you come on social media, big up on Jones and a big up on a talk, this and a talk about Ray and a Ray. Like you bring down Jamaica. Like, yeah, say, I want me here go on the Prime Minister. You know, say me say people are Ray and I chat about Deportee and Ray and Tiana. Him see him when I tell her, say, don't follow the media. Him himself afraid of the media. When him come on the media and come say certain things. So what him a say? I lie the media tell. Him just afraid that the media. Because him know say the media expose him. Understand me I say? So, I want to tell me what I think about how that woman yeah, I say about the Deportee them. And more want to tell me if she get her money for come say what she say. Because she look boomy. So I'm going to just wrap up that video here now. So just big up all my listeners and my subscribers. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. You don't know, enjoy the rest of the night, enjoy the rest of the evening, enjoy the rest of the morning.
People when I deal with them good, alright. I'm comfortable about the security thing. I know I'm not talking about my company. I'm talking about the security thing in general. I have a question. When you apply for a security company, you spend 2 weeks training, you pass that exam and get your uniform and so forth. And not every security have a uniform for you. Sometimes you have to buy a white shirt and your black pants and then get a quest and you have a tailor to sew it on. You get me I say? Yeah, no problem. Anyways, back on me I say. Your PSRA, your training certificate, like when you're supposed to get that, right? Like you work on location and things and so forth. But you have some security guards get this training certificate and then go at the location downtown, go upstairs, look for them PSRA and get it. You know what I say? You have a certain company we don't give out them training certificate to them workers. And they're supposed to get it for all 2 years and so. And then I get to them, when I try to mention it to them now, them I refuse like they don't want to give. You know why? Because a lot of them don't want to give because through with the PSRA and training certificate, you can transfer to any security company. So whenever you leave a security company now, like your old security company, and go to a better security company, like one with more location, more duties to do anything there and so forth. So they're afraid for them to lose and work and so they don't want to give out no to training certificate. I mean I like security company but stay so. I don't like it. I don't like it because Atlas do me that. I do my training, do the dog training and everything. And I must go to them about the PSRA now. Yo. They must have gone around with me and I take me for idiot. I mean, I like that, bro. I don't like that. I'm about to work without it. I know I'm left from there now. I mean, I work at a company where I am now. Me up get mine. Training certificate and PSRA. But at the same time, we learn that not all even workers, employees, but they are work in the company longer than me now, not getting them PSRA yet. They're shot and frightened. Then I get for them one yet and then they didn't longer than me. That makes sense? Yo, that's supposed to be illegal, you know. You can't make this illegal. Like if a security guard apply for the company, do not security training and finish it and our work and so forth. Yo, why don't I take the one when I run the company, why don't I take responsibility and help them look about them PSRA and get them and sort of certificate, training certificate for the man and thing there. Come on, man. The security guard put for them time, for them hours, I do the duty to put money in the security company pocket account to the money off of we are work. That's our job. And then after that now, we get paid for our duty, what we do. The more duty we do, the more money we make. Depends how much hours you work, like 12, 16, 15, 8, 9. It all depends. But I just don't like when a security company wall on the security guard them training certificate and PSRA. I don't want to look about it for them. I don't want to get them. Although them done to the training already. I don't like that style.